How to Unfollow Everyone on Instagram at Once, 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow people quickly on Instagram, the safe way. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Step 1. Open following list. Tap on following. Here you'll see everyone you follow. Step 2. Use least interacted with, fast method. At the top, tap least interacted with. This shows accounts you don't engage with. Now tap following unfollow next to each account. This is the fastest way to clean your list. Step 3. Remove in batches. Don't unfollow too many people at once. Toss 10 to 20 accounts at a time. Take short breaks. This avoids Instagram limits. Step 4. Avoid third-party apps. Never use auto-unfollow apps. They can steal your account, trigger bans or restrictions. Bonus tip. If you want a fresh start, focus on keeping only active accounts, removing spam or inactive profiles first. And that's it. Now you know how to unfollow people fast on Instagram safely in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next